I believe you already know that with the Magic Wand tool you can select specific pixels that has a specific color. For example, if I want to change the color of these two circles, I can select the Magic Wand tool with contiguous, turn it on, and click right here. Then I can fill these pixels with any color I like. But what if I want to colorize the inner transparent areas inside these circles? Also, I can use the Magic Wand tool to do that. Instead of clicking on colored pixels, I can simply click here in empty pixels to select them. But make sure you are selecting the right layer, and of course make sure contiguous option is on. Then I can fill them with any color I like.